I wanted to bring you guys this feather purse. Sorry guys, it took me a long time to bring it to you guys and show you guys how I did this, and it's just, I just finally like, okay, let me do it. So guys, this is one of those cases that you get from the Dollar Tree. I got the feathers from Hobby Lobby and the stones from Hobby Lobby, guys, the hot glue gun, and then I got this little, I had this around the house. This is just like some thin little fabric, and this is what I made the hook with. But guys, I took the plastic container. Let me open it and show you guys, that you get from Dollar Store, that hold pencils. I sprayed it silver, so you see it's pink. I sprayed it silver, guys, and I glued all of the feathers all around, guys. And then in the inside, you guys see I took the little, y'all got to do it small. And then I did the little hot glue gun and glued that there, because that's what holds it together. So I made the feather purse to match the feather shoes, guys. So if you guys wanted to do that, yeah, pick up the box. You can also get this box from Hobby Lobby, which you'll pay more, but get it from the Dollar Tree, guys, and a little hook. So when I wear this all together, I have the little feather purse, guys, so you guys can make it in any color. So guys, sorry that it took me so long to bring you guys this video, but you guys have an awesome day, and guys, stay safe, guys. Bye bye. Okay guys, here go a couple pictures of the outfit of the day that I'm just rocking today, guys. And guys, just try this out. All of the pieces you can, well, they have all of them. No, you can't get it all from Dollar Store. Remember the case I got from the Dollar Store, guys, and the feathers I got from Hobby Lobby, the stones I got from Hobby Lobby. And remember to pull up on your phone a 40% discount at Hobby Lobby, guys, and you guys can make these feather purses. So there you go, guys. There are still pictures of the feather purse. So as always, guys, you guys have a awesome day, guys, and thanks for always watching. And guys, stay safe. Bye bye.